Imagine holding the entire power of a massive PlayStation 5 console right in the palms of your hands, without ever waiting for a single download or worrying about storage space. Welcome to the magic of cloud streaming on the PlayStation Portal in 2026. With well over 200 games currently available in the PlayStation Plus premium game catalog, it can be seriously overwhelming to figure out what is actually worth your time. You have probably heard some people online claim that there are simply no good games to play on the Portal through the cloud, or that the lag ruins the experience. I completely disagree. The technology has matured beautifully, and if you know what to look for, the experience is absolute magic. Today, I am breaking down the 10 absolute best PlayStation Plus premium games you can stream directly from the cloud on your PlayStation Portal. All of these are included right in your subscription. We're talking no newly purchased games and no local remote play required. If you're paying for the premium tier and holding that portal, these games are absolutely essential. Let us jump right into the list. 10. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles: Shredder's Revenge. If you grew up pumping coins into arcade machines or playing games like Streets of Rage and Golden Axe on older consoles, you're going to absolutely love this one. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles: Shredder's Revenge is a pure, unfiltered nostalgia hit, and it works flawlessly on the PlayStation Portal. The game is bright, incredibly colorful, and instantly readable on an 8-inch screen. It is the ultimate pick-up-and-play experience. You do not need to think too much or memorize a complex combo system. You just jump right in, pick your favorite turtle, and start fighting your way through the Foot Clan. It is completely ideal for those short gaming sessions when you only have 20 minutes to spare. The pixel art style pops beautifully on the Portal's display, bringing those vibrant animations to life. It is just fun in the most straightforward way possible. There is also fantastic multiplayer support, which is a massive bonus if you want to team up with friends online. But honestly, even playing entirely solo, this is one of those rare games that just glues a smile to your face. Cowabunga, dude. 9. Sword of the Sea. At the complete opposite end of the gaming spectrum, we have Sword of the Sea. This is easily one of the most relaxing and visually stunning indie games to drop in recent years. It was a day one PlayStation Plus release, which makes it even sweeter. In this game, you're essentially surfing across vast, flowing sand dunes that move and shift exactly like ocean waves. You spend your time solving light environmental puzzles and exploring these gorgeous, sweeping environments entirely at your own pace. It looks downright incredible on the Portal. Because it is so fluid and atmospheric, cloud streaming handles it brilliantly without any competitive pressure. It is the absolute perfect game if you want something calm to wind down with at the very end of a long evening. A lot of gamers will overlook this simply because it does not have a massive billion-dollar franchise name attached to it. Honestly, do not sleep on this one. Once you start gliding across those dunes, it is very hard to put the controller down. It is a spectacular indie masterpiece and a true must-play. 8. Doom Eternal. Now, what if you have had a completely stressful day at work and you just want to let off some serious steam? Doom Eternal is exactly where you need to go. This is a fast, highly aggressive, and completely non-stop action first-person shooter. I mean that in the best possible way. The weapons you get to use are completely ridiculous. The melee glory kills are brutally beautiful, and the overall pacing of the game never really lets up. It is everything you could possibly want from a modern Doom title. Playing a massive single-player campaign via cloud streaming on the Portal works surprisingly well. The dual thumbsticks feel great for maneuvering. It provides a massive contrast to the slower, more story-driven games you usually play handheld. If you want pure, unadulterated adrenaline pumping through your veins, this is an incredibly easy recommendation. Grab your Portal, connect to the cloud, and before you even know it, you will become the legendary Doomslayer. 7. Hogwarts Legacy. I will be completely honest with you right now. I am not a Harry Potter fan. I have never read the original books. I have never even sat and watched one of the movies from beginning to end. Because of that, I went into Hogwarts Legacy with pretty low expectations. Let me tell you, it completely surprised me and absolutely blew my socks off. Even if you strip away all the Harry Potter branding and connections, this is just a really solid, incredibly well-made action RPG. The magical world is beautiful to look at. The wand combat is genuinely really fun and engaging, acting almost like a rhythmic dance. It is one of those massive open-world games that pulls you in completely without you even realizing it, very much like a good fantasy book does. Lying on the sofa and chilling out with this game on the Portal is absolutely awesome. Time will just fly right past you like magic. It works especially well on the Portal because it is very easy to play in short bursts. You can jump in, complete a few quick side quests, explore a bit of the castle, and put it down without losing any momentum in the story. If you're already a massive Harry Potter fan, you will probably be obsessed with this. But even if you're totally blind to the franchise like I was, this is still a fantastic game that is highly worth your time. Add this to your backlog today, and thank me later in the comments. Before we carry on with the rest of the list, here's a very quick side note. If you're watching this and thinking about subscribing to PlayStation Plus Premium, or you're planning to keep your current subscription active just for this cloud gaming feature, you do not necessarily have to pay the full retail price. There are always discounted wallet top-up codes available online. You can use those to pay for your PlayStation Plus subscription or grab digital games on sale. It is a super easy way to save a good bit of money, especially if you're staying subscribed for the long term. Now, let's get back to the games. 6. Ratchet & Clank Rift Apart. This right here is the game that literally made a lot of people want to go out and buy a PlayStation 5 in the first place. Ratchet & Clank Rift Apart is a completely spectacular first-party showcase. The Pixar-level visuals are unbelievable. The weapons are wildly fun, highly creative, and totally off the wall. The signature rift jumping mechanic, where you warp instantly between entirely different dimensions, feels super impressive even today. All of that magic was originally thanks to the super fast SSD inside the PS5, and now, that exact same power is living right in the cloud. It is incredibly fast, deeply colorful, and highly accessible. Kids will absolutely love playing it, and adults will easily love playing it just as much. Seeing this game run smoothly via cloud, streaming on your Portal, is genuinely impressive. It remains one of the most highly polished PlayStation experiences you can possibly play. It was one of the earliest truly next-gen games, and in 2026, it is still undeniably top tier. 5. Cyberpunk 2077. Cyberpunk 2077 has come such a massively long way to get to this point. It is genuinely an excellent, highly polished game right now. Set deep in the neon-lit, sprawling world of Night City, this is a massive first-person RPG that lets you choose multiple different life paths. I always pick the Corpo life path, but let me know down in the comments which one you chose first. The game features very deep skill trees, incredible cybernetic upgrades, and a gritty story that really pulls you deep into its dark, futuristic world. Playing it right now, through cloud streaming on the Portal works so incredibly well. The colors of the city glow beautifully on the screen. If you enjoy massive fantasy games like The Witcher, which comes from the exact same developers, you will feel right at home with the quest design here. If you end up loving the base game, the Phantom Liberty expansion is absolutely worth picking up. You can buy that DLC and immediately stream it from the cloud alongside the main game. 4. Marvel Spider-Man Miles Morales. This next choice might be slightly controversial to some hardcore fans, but for the PlayStation Portal specifically, I actually think Miles Morales is the very best Spider-Man game of the bunch. It is a much shorter, tighter experience, which makes it perfectly suited for handheld play. You can realistically finish the main campaign in a week of casual evening play, or totally knock it out in a single weekend if you get hooked. Swinging around a snowy New York City feels utterly fantastic. Miles has unique bioelectric venom powers that are just incredibly fun and explosive to use in combat. The story is very strong, highly emotional, and it tells a great tale without ever overstaying its welcome. I even love the villains in this one. It goes in directions you might not expect. It is simply a fantastic, fun game. If you do want the bigger experience, Spider-Man 2 is also available on the streaming catalog, but Miles Morales holds a special place for handheld gaming. 3. Final Fantasy 7 Remake in Tergrade. This is the massive RPG I finished most recently, and I absolutely adored every second of it. I actually never played the original Final Fantasy VII back on the old PS1. I went into this massive universe completely cold and fresh, not entirely sure what to expect. It completely won me over from the first chapter. The real-time action combat works incredibly well, blending perfectly with tactical pauses. The classic materia system gives you loads of flexibility to upgrade your magical powers, and upgrading your huge weapons feels highly satisfying. The cinematic cutscenes are nothing short of phenomenal. Seriously, do not skip them. They add so much amazing depth to the story and look incredible on the portal. It took me around 40 to 50 hours to get through the main story and the included DLC. You could easily double that playtime if you wanted to hunt down every single side quest. This version also includes the Yuffie DLC chapters, which add even more vibrant color to the whole story. You definitely need to check this out because the sequel, Rebirth, is already out, and the grand finale of the trilogy is coming later this year. This is epic storytelling at its absolute peak. 2. God of War Ragnarok. This masterpiece continues the brutal and beautiful story of Kratos and his son Atreus. If you somehow have not played the previous God of War game from 2018, I highly recommend doing that first, as this is a direct continuation of that heavy narrative. The deeply complicated relationship between this father and son is the emotional core of the entire game, and is handled incredibly well by the writers. You will explore stunningly gorgeous realms, face off against massive, powerful enemies drawn straight from Norse mythology, and experience one of Sony's absolute best story-driven games to date. It is a huge, cinematic, blockbusting experience. Honestly, it works surprisingly flawlessly via cloud streaming. I originally thought the timing would be slightly off of the fast-paced boss fights, but if you have a solid Wi-Fi connection, you're going to be completely sorted. It is a flawless handheld adventure. Un grand theft auto V. Finally, sitting right at the #1 spot, we have Grand Theft Auto 5. This game has practically lived on the bestsellers list for over a decade for a very good reason. I place this at the top because it gives you the ultimate full package. The single-player campaign is hilarious, wild, chaotic, and completely endlessly entertaining. Then you have GTA Online, which is basically its own massive, constantly evolving universe at this point. It is absolutely insane how much content is packed in there. But even if you do not want to grind online missions, it is the perfect sandbox. Sometimes you just want to grab a fast car, cause some pure chaos in the city, rack up a massive wanted level, and see exactly how long you can survive against the police. It is highly flexible, endlessly replayable, and perfect for simply dipping in and out of on the PlayStation Portal. It is wild how successful this game remains, and it is exactly what will keep us all going until GTA 6 finally drops at the end of the year. My personal opinion? The PlayStation Portal combined with the premium cloud streaming catalog is completely unmatched right now. It takes the heavy lifting away from your console and turns your handheld into a limitless library of high-end gaming. You do not need to worry about storage drives filling up or loud console fans. You just need a good router and you are set. It fundamentally changes how you chip away at your gaming backlog. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.